How are final contracts signed in modern business? A. E-signatures. B. Document scanning. C. Thumb impression. D. Shaking hands. The correct answer is E-signatures. Culverts have a concrete, sometimes other materials can be used to floor, allowing the water to flow smoothly through it. A. Box. B. Cylindrical. C. Narrow. D. Long. The correct answer is box. An culvert is normally a low-profile culvert. It allows them to be installed without disturbing the causeway, as it will span over the entire drainage width. A. Box. B. Rectangle. C. Arch. D. Circular. The correct answer is arch. A structure that allows water to flow under a road, railroad trail or similar obstruction from one side to the other side is called as A. Drainage. B. Bridges. C. Tunnel. D. Culverts. The correct answer is culverts. The process of removing culverts, which is becoming increasingly prevalent, is known as A. Outlighting. B. Culverting. C. Daylighting. D. Inlighting. The correct answer is daylighting. Construction or installation at a culvert site generally results in disturbance of the site soil. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. If the span of crossing is greater than 12 feet 3.7 m, the structure is termed as bridge and otherwise is culvert. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. A culvert can be used to span over a canyon or depression or even over a freeway or roadway. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Box culverts can be defined as a passage for water over a natural ground having a deck slab over it as pathway for vehicles. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Culverts cannot be constructed of a variety of materials including cast-in-place or precast concrete. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.